Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Strive for Excellence. Strive for Excellence is an educational platform for students who want to excel in their life. This channel will help you out to understand the subjects more easily with greater ease. First of all, I would like to thank you all for your great support you are giving me. And please, one more request as usual, please like, share and subscribe my channel, those who have not done yet. Let's start our today's video, that is the part 2 of chapter Air. Previous video I have already explained you what is air, the three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gases, arrangements of matter in solid, liquid and gases, as well as the properties of air and components of air. In today's video we are going to see the detailed wise the uses of air, process of breathing and burning, causes and effects, as well as the preventive measures. I hope you are going to like this video. One more time, reminder, like, share and subscribe my channel. So now let's start our first topic, that is uses of air. All living things need air to stay alive. Yes, students, we all living things need air to stay alive to survive. Second point, air helps birds to fly. Air also helps the birds to fly. Third, air helps things to dry. Whenever your things are wet, what we do? We put it in the air and it helps us to dry those things. Next point, air is used to fill balloons, footballs and tires. Yes, the football which you play is filled with air. The tires, the balloons which you use in your birthday party or any other occasion, you fill it with air. So, air is used to fill balloons, footballs and tires. Next one, air is used to run windmills to generate electricity. Yes, students, you have seen the windmills, I hope. If not, then you can today Google it and see what is windmills. It is a kind of a stand with 3 and 4 windmills on it, a kind of blades on it, which actually run through the air and it helps us to generate electricity. Next is air is also needed for burning. Yes, whenever the thing is burning and suddenly when you blow the air, what happened? It uses to upright its flame or it come in a huge way. So air is also needed for burning. Last one, plants use carbon dioxide in the air to make their food. Yes, as we human need oxygen to breathe or any living beings need oxygen to breathe, same way carbon dioxide in the air is used by plant to make their food. Now let's see the process of breathing and burning. Process of breathing and burning. Let's see the very first process, that is breathing. The process by which air is taken in and given out of the body is called breathing. So what is breathing, students? When we take in the air and give out the air from our body, then that whole process is known as breathing. Animals need air for breathing. Human beings also breathe through lungs. They inhale air through nose and that is known as inhalation. So students, as you know, in the meditation song, what you do? You breathe in and breathe out. So when you inhale, it means when you breathe in your air through the nose, then that is known as inhalation. In means breathing inside your body. In the lungs, the exchange of gases takes place. Then air is exhaled through the nose. This process is known as exhalation. Exhale through the nose means given out through the nose. Then that process is known as exhalation. So in short, what is breathing? The process by which air is taken in and given out of the body, that is known as breathing. So when we inhale air through nose, inhalation. When we exhale air through nose, that is exhalation. I hope now this is clear to you. Let's move to the process of burning. Air is essential for burning because it contains oxygen that is required for burning. So children, you can see this at home also, that how the air is essential for burning. You can lighten up the two candles. One is placed here without the glass, and as you can see in the picture, one is there without the glass and another one is covered with the glass. So what you will do, the very first one, you will lighten up the two candles, and in the first candle you will leave as it is shown in the figure. In the second candle you will cover it through the glass. What you will see, that after 2 seconds the flame of that second candle will blow off. It means that air is essential for burning, because whatever air is there in the glass is occupied by the candle, and afterwards when air is not left in the glass, then it is put off. So the flame is off. So by this you come to know that air is essential for burning. Now let's see air pollution. Air pollution, causes and effects. So now let's see what is air pollution. The addition of harmful and undesirable substances to air as a result of human activities is called air pollution. So what is air pollution, students? Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and the gases in the air. For example, your car emissions, the waste from the factories, the dust, and all these are what? These are harmful and undesirable substance. When it add to the air, then that is known as your air pollution. Any substance that pollutes the air, that is known as your pollutant. Now let's see further what are the causes and the effects of air pollution. Causes and effects. Now let's see the causes of air pollution. The very first one is smoke and harmful gases released by industries. They cause a air pollution. Yes, students, whenever the harmful gases and the smoke which are released by the industries, they create or cause a lot of air pollution. Second one, harmful gases and chemicals released from our vehicles. They are also one of the cause of air pollution. Third one, bursting of crackers. You all enjoy in Diwali while bursting the crackers, but students, that is also one of the major cause of air pollution. You see now, after the bursting of crackers, you see a foggy type air or the air which is not good for breathing. Yes, why? Because it is causing the air pollution. Fourth one, smoke released from burning of fuels such as wood. So when we burn a wood, the smoke which is released from it, that also cause air pollution. Next one is burning of garbage in open areas. So whenever you see the garbage that is being burned by someone in the open areas, you see the smoke is coming out with the flame. That is also causing your air pollution. Last one is what? Volcanic eruptions and the forest fires. They cause a air pollution. So whenever the volcanic is erupting and the forests are there for fires, everything, what happened? These all causes a lot of air pollution and which is harming our earth. Now let's see what are the effects of air pollution. So many things are causing air pollution. So but what are the effects on human beings? Causes diseases such as asthma and lung cancer, due to which we get asthma or lung cancer. It also causes breathing problems, coughing, sneezing, headaches, and so many others. So all these are the effects of air pollution. To get rid of it, to control it, there are certain preventive measures also to keep our air clean. Now let's see that. Preventive measures. The very first one is to cover short distance, we should use a bicycle or walk. Yes, students, while going to for a short distance, we are not going to take out our vehicles like a motorcycle or the car and create a air pollution. We should use a bicycle or we can simply walk and cover that distance. Second one, less polluting fuels such as CNG should be preferred over petrol or diesel for vehicles. Yes, we should use a CNG vehicles rather than the petrol or the diesel vehicles.
Third one, burning of garbage, leaves, and wood should be avoided. We should actually dump all these things instead of burning these garbages, leaves, and wood. Fourth one, plant more trees to keep air clean and fresh. Yes, we should actually do the afforestation instead of deforestation, because as you plant more and more trees, we will get a clean and the fresh air. Garbage should be disposed in landfills. Yes, we should dispose our garbage in the landfills, not just going to the market and throwing the things here and there. No, this should be avoided. This should be not done. We should always dispose it in the landfills.
So students, this much only in today's video, that is of air. I hope you all have understood the uses of air, process of breathing and burning, air pollution causes and effects, as well as the preventive measures. Let's meet the next time, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. Keep supporting your strive for excellence so that I can bring the most interesting topic to you and help you out in your studies. Always take care of your parents in this pandemic situation, and please be safe, be healthy, and stay at home. Thank you so much.